Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is me. It's all about me. It's all about you. Take some time for yourself right now to regenerate, recharge your battery, have your favorite beverage, your favorite food, do your favorite hobby. Stop worrying about what everyone else is doing, worrying about if you're missing out, fitting in. No, it's time to reshape your reality around your likenesses and your wants and your own personal needs. You're one of one. You're original. There's no one like you that has the same fingerprint, the same type of DNA, the same type of intuition and intelligence. You are one of one, so make sure that you take care of yourself as such. I allow serenity to reign within me. The love I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. Do what feels right. Not always trying to fit into the world's puzzle. Create your own puzzle and let the world enjoy the picture and the results of your life, and they'll actually mold their life behind yours. I listen to and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. It's all about you. Once you feel better, you think better. Therefore, your life shall become better. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.